everyone. Today we, the students of class 10th A, are going to present a script on Mrs. Packletide Tiger. So here I am giving the introduction of our team. Harshita as Mrs. Mebin, Sheetal as Mrs. Packletide, Solomi as Mrs. Luna Bimberton, Anjana Sharma as media person, tiger and narrator, Dhanush as goat and Jatin as a villager. So let us start.
Scene 1. Luna Bimberton personally shares her experiences of procuring a tiger skin to the media. Ma'am, how are you?
Fine.
Ma'am, we have heard that you have been carried out in an airplane by an Algerian aviator. This has become the talk of the town. How do you feel?
Well, it was a great adventure for me, and I am planning to throw a party on the special occasion.
I hope you enjoy your party and thanks for sharing your opinion with us.
Thank you.
Scene 2. At the home of Mrs. Packletide. Conversation between Packletide and Mebin on how to outshine Luna Bimberton.
Mrs. Luna Bimberton on the first place? Impossible. I cannot digest it as her applause is creating jealousy in me. Day and night I am thinking how to outshine her.
Madam, are you thinking of a plan to outshine Miss Luna Bimberton?
Yes, I am thinking of a tiger hunt. Isn't it enough to outshine Mrs. Luna Bimberton?
Madam, it is enough to take over the media's attention over you, madam.
I am going to the village tomorrow. Will you accompany me?
Sure, madam, but it would cost you a grand sum of money.
No problem. At least you will help me to negotiate the price of the tiger.
Sure, madam.
Scene 3. Packletide and Mebin go to India to hunt the tiger.
Namaste, ma'am, sir. What can we do?
I want to arrange a tiger hunt in this village and it should be safe and secure.
No, we do not have any tiger for such purpose, but if you still want to kill a tiger, it will cost you a grand sum of money.
What will be the cost?
Around 1,000 rupees.
Isn't it too much to spend a grand sum of money on a tiger?
No, ma'am, sir, because you also know tiger is not a normal species. And we will also build a platform which you can stay over there and kill the tiger with your rifle.
Why will the tiger come near the platform?
We will tie a goat nearby, so the tiger will get attracted and you will be safe.
Okay, then we will come tomorrow for the shoot.
Thank you.
Scene 4. On the platform of a tree.
Madam, I suppose we are in a danger.
Shut your mouth up. This is an old tiger. I did not bring up here.
Madam, if it is an old tiger, we should get it at a cheaper price.
No one says the tiger is coming towards the goat.
Oh, my lunch is ready, but let me get some sleep. Then I'll be ready to hunt the goat. Oh, villagers, save me from the tiger.
Just
Madam, look. The tiger has not been killed by a bullet, but instead the goat has been killed by a bullet.
can you shut your mouth? Shut.
Scene 5. At the home of Mrs. Luna Bimberton.
Mrs. Packletide, on the front page with a tiger shoot. She has decided to give a treat to her friends. If she invites me, I won't go at all.
Scene 6. At the home of Mrs. Packletide.
Madam, how amused everyone would be if they really knew what happened on a day of shoot.
What do you mean?
How you shot the tiger? No. How you shot the goat and frightened the tiger to death, madam.
No one would believe you.
But Luna Bimberton would believe me, madam.
Are you gonna cheat me?
Madam, recently a pretty weekend cottage has been put up for sale and I want you to buy that for me, which costs nearly $648.
Okay, I'll soon buy it for you.
Sure, madam.
Because of this jealousy, I lost a huge amount of money just to outshine Mrs. Luna Bimberton. And that cheater Mebin, she just cheated me. She cheated all the money out of me. And I am just really upset. That's why we shouldn't do something for someone to outshine us.
It's not all about money. We should save tigers. We shouldn't hunt them at all. Save tigers. Save tigers.
Save tigers.
Thank you.